The Chäserrugg, standing at 2,262 meters, 7,420 feet, is the easternmost peak of the Churfirsten Massif in the Toggenburg region of Switzerland. The site has undergone significant architectural evolution since the early 1970s, becoming a model for sustainable, Alpine-specific design. Accessibility to Chäserrugg dramatically improved in 1972 with the inauguration of the Unterwasser Iltios Chäserrugg cable car. Initially, facilities at the summit were temporary. A restaurant was installed in the provisional housing once used by construction workers. For decades, this basic setup remained unchanged until a comprehensive redesign transformed the mountain's infrastructure. The original 1970s summit station, a functional steel structure on a concrete foundation, was retained but visually softened with a new facade. The major transformation began with the construction of a new restaurant. Designed by the acclaimed architectural duo Herzog and Meuron, the building was completed over one summer and winter season using prefabricated timber elements produced by local craftsmen. The restaurant features a long, horizontal form anchored by a solid concrete foundation. Constructed primarily from locally sourced spruce wood, the building uses traditional carpentry techniques combined with modern timber engineering to meet the extreme alpine conditions of snow and wind. The low-hung roof, supported by densely spaced columns, defines the structure. Large glazed surfaces on three sides open up panoramic views of the Walensee and the surrounding Alps. The fourth side houses a row of alcoves, each with its own window framing a distinct view. Sustainability played a central role in the construction. All building materials, except for the crane, were transported via the existing cable car, reducing environmental impact. Excavated earth was repurposed for producing on-site concrete and for gravel surfacing. The building stands on a narrow ridge and appears to float above the landscape, with its terrace slab extending outward. Due to its ecological mindfulness and innovative timber design, the Chäserrugg project earned the first prize at the Prix Lignum and was recognized with the Landschaft des Jahres 2021 award. It has not only become an architectural icon, but has also extended the appeal of the mountain beyond winter tourism, turning it into a year-round destination. The project reflects a harmony between modern design, traditional craftsmanship, and the alpine environment.